Hi there! If you're looking for ways to make money using Chat-GPT, you've come to the right place. Here are 5 potential strategies to consider. Strategy number 1. Build a chatbot or virtual assistant. One way to leverage Chat-GPT is to build a chatbot or virtual assistant that can provide customer support or answer questions about specific topics. You can then monetize your chatbot by charging businesses for access to it, or by using it to drive traffic to your own products or services. To get started, you'll need to train Chat-GPT on the topics you want it to be able to discuss. Once you've done that, you can use a chatbot building platform like ManyChat or ChatFuel to create your bot and integrate it with different messaging channels. Strategy number 2. Offer writing services. Chat-GPT is great at generating written content on a wide range of topics. You can leverage this by offering writing services to businesses or individuals. For example, you could write blog posts, articles, or social media content on behalf of your clients. To get started, you'll need to create a website or online portfolio showcasing your writing skills. You can then reach out to potential clients directly, or use freelance marketplaces like Upwork or Freelancer to find writing gigs. Strategy number 3. Develop language learning tools. Another way to monetize Chat-GPT is to use it to develop language learning tools. You can train Chat-GPT to teach different languages, and then create apps, online courses, or other resources to help people learn. To get started, you'll need to create a plan for your language learning tool and decide on a monetization strategy. You can charge a one-time fee for access, or offer a subscription-based model. Strategy number 4. Offer personalized advice. Chat-GPT can also provide personalized advice on a wide range of topics, from health and fitness to financial planning. You can use this to offer consulting or coaching services, and charge a fee for your expertise. To get started, you'll need to decide on a niche or topic area for your consulting or coaching business. You can then create a website or social media presence to market your services and start attracting clients. Strategy number 5. Create content for social media. Finally, Chat-GPT can help generate content for social media posts, such as captions, hashtags, or even full posts. You can use this to offer social media management services to businesses or individuals, and charge a fee for your work. To get started, you'll need to create a portfolio of your social media content and decide on your pricing structure. You can then reach out to potential clients directly, or use freelance marketplaces like Fiverr or Guru to find work. And there you have it. 5 potential ways to make money using Chat-GPT. Remember, the key to success is to find a strategy that aligns with your interests and skills, and provides real value to your clients or customers. Good luck!